Today we're going to do an installation in our XRS chassis system. Basically, it comes out of the box. For this to install, I've put an Arca rail on the front end with our SkyPod just to make it a little bit more stable. You take your chassis, you take your action, make sure that it's safe. And what I do is I try to line the trigger group up with the actual hole in the bottom of the chassis for the trigger. And that will also line up the recoil lug with the pocket up front. This is a Remington 700 based action, so it's literally drop it in. To be able to make sure the recoil lug's fully engaged, turn the rifle system vertical, and then you're going to have two action screws, and just use the Allen key to tighten it down, and then you'll want to torque it down to about 60 to 65 inch-pounds of torque. To be able to get this on camera, it can be a little hard to see the screws because they are captured within the stock. With our XRS chassis, we currently include two different types of grips. It ships with one installed and a second one inside the box. To change it out, it's 4 simple screws. To do that, there's 2 on each side. Now that the 4 screws are out, this vertical grip slides right off. Allows us to put on our more traditional slanted grip. And there you have it. Question is, how do we adjust the length of pull on our XRS chassis system? It uses a 1/4-inch spacer system, a lot like a lot of other buttstocks that we offer. And to do that, all we have to do is loosen off the back 2 screws that are in the butt pad itself. Once those are loose, we can actually just pull it back to allow the spacers to twist out. We have a system where they go in and twist. So there's bosses, basically they interlock, and when they go in, you'll see that there's kind of an S shape to it. So when they go in or out, they go in and twist onto the screws and allow you to add or remove them. This one has 2 right now. So if we take those off, you just push the butt pad flush and then tighten the screws up. Now we just take it out, a 1/2 inch of length, can be a little bit more comfortable to shoot.